In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Target gift card to your Apple Wallet. Now for this, we will need this application called Pass2You Wallet. So just go to the App Store and search for Pass2You Wallet like this. I have already installed it and just click on open. Once we have the app open, what we want to do is click on the three lines here in the top left and we'll go into the Pass Store. From here, we want to click on the search bar and we're just going to search for Target, like so. Click on done and you will be able to see some templates and the amount of times that they have been applied. So for example here, Target gift card, we want to select Target gift card. And this is going to begin implementing this, template. So click on next and you will have the category, the barcode content, the balance and the card number. So after we have typed out all of this information here that is required, you will just click on done and you can add this. This is just a sample, but once we have filled out the information, we can add this to our wallet and this is going to add a Target gift card to our Apple Wallet. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.